Hey everyone, welcome to VTools. Today, we're kicking off our How-To series with an in-depth look at VTools vacuum cleaners. We're starting with the 30-liter model, showing you how to use the right filter for the job. First, open the head clips on both sides. Then carefully lift off the vacuum head and place it on a stable surface. Inside, you'll find a black foam filter along with the disposable paper bag that comes with the 30-liter model. The white dust filter, which is attached to the head, is designed for both wet and dry cleaning. However, if you're vacuuming a large amount of water, you need to replace the wet and dry filter with the foam filter. Make sure the foam filter completely covers the vacuum head to prevent water from entering the motor. After wet use, the foam filter should be cleaned by rinsing it gently with water. Ensure it's fully dry before your next use to maintain efficiency. Similarly, the wet and dry filter can also be washed with water. If it's clogged with dust, you can use a light tapping method or air blow to clean it properly. Moving on to the dust bag, this is ideal for collecting large amounts of dust and sand without filling the vacuum tank. To attach it, insert the paper bag's head into the vacuum inlet from inside, ensuring a secure fit. Once in place, all dust and sand will collect in the bag instead of the vacuum tank. When it's full, simply remove and dispose of the bag. Finally, if your vacuum tank is filled with water, you can easily drain it through the water outlet for a hassle-free cleanup. And that's how you choose, use, and maintain your VTools 30-liter vacuum cleaner filters efficiently.